Hi! In front of me is MOTOROLA Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to start by going into Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, just tap on it. If you can't find it over here, you need to tap on this pen one at the bottom left corner. Then look for it and drag it to the top. Now tap on the back button and click on location icon. Over here select agree in the pop-up, and now location is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same shortcut and choose close. But you can always go into settings as well, scroll down, choose location over here and manage it by tapping on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!